Gaira. And Gert, Renai?
Vian ran agbuna spira.
Vian Grian Egbun Spera. And Grian. Okay. Kettling, Dirje?
There are other Goshrik, she
Oh,
and
that's the one before that.
Oh. Then the Bokali Orhu Gataipi.
Irvada gur chrechid and value.
Bila Itach Arin Gailj.
Yaroj.
Yaroj.
Vi Godevin Ni Yeni Misha Dermod an Nauer Shin Gojo.
Na Misha ach Erin. Ichawagit achromo. Ichawa agata a Yaroj.
Okay. We'll keep moving here. So let's go to the third page and do the questions here. So, Karen, why don't you read the first question for us? Karen Rinina Buchli. So what did the boys do? Right. Persia Kun Bocherwalya. So they set off home. Okay? Sean, you want to read the number 2?
Sure, the Rinya and Gower.
Karen Rinina Gower. Right, Rishe, Trasna and Woher. Right, Rishe, Trasna and Woher. Okay, ran across the road. So, Matthew number 3. Kar Imi and Gower. So Kar is where did something happen? Where did it go? The goat. Kar Imi and Gower.
Harangli.
Harangli. Huishe Harangli. So he went over the fence. Okay. Okay. Or you can say Huishe Trasna and Woher. He went across the road. Okay. Kesh the Kaher Michal, number 4.
Her Agla er on Nauer.
So Kera her Agla er Nauer. So what put fear on the goat? Donal, or you can say either Donal, her Donal Agla er Nauer, or her. You can say Beck Ronald. So the yelp of Donal. Beck Ronald. Her Beck Ronald Agla er Nauer. You can say her Donal Agla er Nauer. Kesh the Kui, number 5, Kivin. Rev Agla er Nabuchli. So the boy's afraid. Nira. Okay. Kesh the Shay, Gart, number 6.
Imi Gower Lesh Gumal.
And or Imi and Gower Lesh Gomal. So the goat go off slowly. Near Imi. I would say. How did he go off? Perhaps Shehar and Glee. Jimmy Shelesh Gotapi. So he went off quickly. Jimmy Shelesh Gotapi. Or Jimmy Shelesh or Kosan Arja. He went off, right, with his feet in the air. Okay, Kesh the Shach, the Ketchlin.
Hachin an la lesh na Bokali.
Okay, and you can, there's two pronunciations that way, they're Hatchin or Han. So, or Han and La Lesh Nabuchli, or Hatchin and La Lesh Nabuchli. So the boys enjoy the day. The day, literally it's did the day please the boys. And the answer is either Han or near Han, or Hatchin or near Hatchin. Hatchin, right? Okay. All right. Kesh the hoch the bub.
Care the dirt garage playing hour.
So Kerder garage fling hour. So what did Gerald say about the goat?
Never forget it.
Okay. Right. If you want to do the full thing, it's Durche nach nienische Jarmerd Ehrenauer Shin Gojo. We won't get into that. Okay. Durche, he said, nach nienische, that he won't do. that he won't forget. Nach Yenishe.
Nach Jenische. Dúirt nach Jenische. Dúirt nach Jenische.
Then a lot of time we won't get into it too much more than that. Okay.
And that's in writing it down.
All right. Heshton Lee, number 9. Bingo.
And Yakatu Gawarit.
And Wakatu.
Awakatu Gawarit.
On Wakatu, Gower, Rio, have you ever seen a goat, or did you ever see a goat? Hanek. Okay. Ke ansho a Hanek Gower, Rio. So who here has seen a goat? Ke a Hanek Gower. Okay.
Before you.
How do you say?
No, Rio means ever, huh?
How do you say I was chased by a goat?
Yeah, V Gower Machor. Yeah. Okay.
My neighbors had a Billy goat. It was about this big. It was the cutest little thing.
This one was not.
Okay. All right. So Kesh to Jen, number 10.
Anwil Gower Agatsa Sawaya.
Will Gower Agatsa Sawalya.
Neil.
Yeah. Beter go Gower Eg Margaret. Will Gower Agat. Okay.
Those are husbands, my things.
Menagerie, she has. Okay. So Kesh to Hinjeg.
And Malyat Banya Gower.
So Amayat Banya Gower. Now you notice the word Gower is spelled differently here. It has an I in there. What it means is, do you like milk of goat? Of a goat. So you can have. So Amayat Wargit. Amayat Banya Gower.
Nima.
Nima.
Neolithica.
Okay.
Ah, you've not tried it.
Okay, Kathleen, Keshtadoya, number 12. Well, Roher Agit.
Let's see. Vimi.
V Roher Agam.
V Roher Agam Ak Mo Inyam
Pinin.
Stolen.
Oh, Rich Menine. Okay. So you'd say you know this is being recorded, right? V Roher Agam. Okay, V Roher Agam Rich Menine. So V Roher Agam, I had a bicycle, but stole my daughter it. Rich Menine. Yeah.
Good.
So you'd say is Gadi. E. So she is a thief. It's Gadi. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Kesh Trijek, number 13.
And Malyato e Rohia.
Okay, so in Malyat Dol Grohiach you like to go cycling. So in Malyat you like Dol to go Eg Grohiach cycling. It comes from Roch, which is a wheel. Okay. So in Malyat Dol Grohiach Alexi. Isma. Okay. How would you say no? Nima. So it's Isma or Nima for that. When someone asks you if you like something. Okay, Pam, Karajay, number 14. Markia. So, Markia is horseback riding. Nima. Okay. Avandi and Malatsa, Dolog Markia.
I was 6 and I was very afraid.
It's hot. Tell me.
Isma.
Isma.
Or you can say it's Bralium A. I love it.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's Bralium Dolog Markia. I love it. B-R-E-A Fada. Okay. And Kestjernach Shan. So on Farlat Veg Shul Nueg Rit. So do you prefer to walk or run? In Irish it's is it better with you to be at walking or at running? On Farlat Veg Shul Nueg Rit. So the answer would be Isfarlom and then one of those two. Isfarlom Vehik Shul actually. Isfarlom Vehik Shul. To be walking. And a lot of things that you do in Irish, it sounds better if you say to be doing it. Like painting, you can say it's mayom paintal, to paint, but it's better to say it's mayom vehik paintal, to be painting. Or ni mayom vehik paintal,